Acorns Investing Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Acorns and related resources are in the description. Acorns is an easy-to-use micro-investing app designed for individuals who want to start investing without needing significant knowledge or large amounts of capital. With its unique roundup feature, Acorns automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the change in a diversified portfolio. This makes investing effortless, especially for beginners who may find traditional investing intimidating. Acorns provides access to a range of investment options, from conservative to aggressive portfolios, making it accessible for users at various risk tolerance levels. Features. Acorns' primary feature is its roundup system, where spare change from purchases made with linked credit or debit cards is rounded up and invested in a portfolio. You can also set recurring contributions, which makes regular investing automatic. Acorns offers a range of pre-built portfolios designed by financial experts that include ETFs, exchange-traded funds, diversified across asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Additionally, Acorns provides an educational feature called Grow to help users understand investment basics. Acorns also offers a retirement account (IRA) option, allowing users to invest for long-term goals. The app includes a checking account with a debit card and a rewards program to earn additional investment funds. Who is it for? Acorns is perfect for new investors who want to get started with minimal effort. It's ideal for people who don't have large sums to invest up front, but want to grow their savings passively. If you're someone who regularly makes purchases and wants to put your spare change to work, Acorns is a good option. It's also great for younger investors or those looking to invest for retirement through an IRA. However, experienced investors looking for more control over their investments may find Acorns too basic. Strengths. Automatic investing. The roundup feature makes investing effortless. Easy to use. Simple app, great for beginners. Diversified portfolios. Offers a range of investment options. IRA options. Helps users save for retirement. Weaknesses. Fees. Monthly subscription fees could be a downside for users with smaller balances. Limited control. Investors have little control over individual investments. Basic for experienced investors, lacks more advanced features for seasoned investors. Final verdict. Acorns is a fantastic tool for beginners looking to invest passively with minimal effort. The roundup feature, automatic contributions, and range of diversified portfolios make it a great choice for those just starting out. However, its fees can be a downside for small account balances, and more advanced investors may find the app too simplistic for their needs. Links to Acorns and alternatives are in the description. Check them out to find the best platform for your needs. If this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.